G'day guys, today we are getting the aircon installed at the unit. The offices get a little bit hot, so I'll just show you what's going on now. So we have to kick our Findy out of her desk, so she normally sits over here. So we kicked her out. She's got this massive screen today, so doing well. Yeah, we did. I said, look, here's an aircon. You can have this one for cooling and this one for heating, but that didn't cut it. So we're getting the big one installed today. So we're going to put it on that wall there. It's a high-touchy one. It's got a frost wash, so that means it can freeze up, and then when it cools, like freeze up all the foils and stuff, and then when it cools, all the dust and everything meant to just collect in that when it defrosts, and then flushes it out. So they call it frost wash or something like that. So that's pretty cool. So that's where it's going, and then hopefully I want it to be able to blow through, and then maybe just through the doorway here and into the kitchen, and so it can kind of just take the edge off the kitchen as well. So anyway, that's the plan. There's another aircon upstairs that we're not using at the moment, and that's up in that top room up there. You can see that one up the top there. And this is where the outdoor unit is. So, you know, during the summer it would be blowing hot air into the warehouse, making it worse, and then in the winter it's making it colder. So not ideal. So we're leaving that one there anyway, because we haven't done anything upstairs. But I don't want the new one to have the outdoor unit here, because, you know, especially when we're bringing the caravans in and stuff, it could bugger it up or hit it as well. So I've got to hire a cherry picker so we can go up and put the new unit up on the roof today, and then also it'll be fine to put all that up right up there and through the roof to get it sorted. So anyway, that's what we're up to today, and so I'm looking forward to that, just to take the edge off it. And I'll get the cherry picker later and show you up on the up the top there. I don't think I've got the ladder set up the back anymore. I took that down. Oh no, it's still there, so I'll show you anyway. Let's go up there. We put some insulation in the other day. Had a slow day, which was good. So I got some insulation just to put all the insulation in. So that's all sorted now. So all the insulation, that's the other unit I was talking about. So all the insulation's all gone in good, ready to go. So that'll once that aircon's going, it should keep the heat in and then stop the noise in the future. But one day we're not going to afford it. I'll finish this off. So anyway, that's the plan at the moment. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Got my mate Pete, the electrician, here. While we're waiting, I've asked him to put a PowerPoint over here. We'll just change your mind. I reckon it was on the plan beforehand, but he doesn't reckon it was. So I've got this new vacuum cleaner just to, you know, zoom up and stuff. So it'd be great if it would just hang on the wall here, sort of out the way a bit. So that's why I'll just hang up now, and then he'll just magically put another PowerPoint in. You know, it's got nothing else to do anyway, so it's good to see. So it's just got the vacuum on it now, sucking out all the air. So create a huge vacuum, and then they can open it up and let the gas through, and it should be fired up. So they're going to leave it on there for about half an hour now. Okay, so I was hoping that the aircon drain would be able to go across here, across the top of the door, and then down and out there somewhere. And I was going to worry about it later, but it's come out too low. He's put as high as he can inside, so you can see, like, if you follow that along, you know, it'll go across the door. So you can buy this little condensation pump. It looks like this, okay? So the water, that hose there, comes into the top, and it goes through a little filter. And then when that little float rises up, when the water's there, it just pumps it out this little thing here, and you just put some beverage tube on it, and then you can run it where you want. So I could just run that beverage tube over the door and then down out to the paving out there or something. So we're just that's gonna wire that up there somewhere where it sits in, and then yeah, we'll sort something out like that. So that'll be good anyway. Yeah. So if you do have one of these ones, they use them a lot on the internal wall where they have to, you know, of internal wall of a house and there's nowhere for the drain to go for the condensation, they can put these things in. Yeah, we'll stick that in and see how it goes. So we're just doing a test now. Just going to tip some water inside the aircon inside, and then it should drain into here. And when that little thing goes up, you can see it's starting to fill up. When that little thing goes up, that should turn the pump on and start pumping. So there it is. Okay guys, okay, aircon is working. It's up there, beautiful. Good job, Finny. Very good. Yeah, it's very nice in here now. I'll just go out and show you out here how it all worked out. So there's the one pipe going up to the roof. Here's that little reservoir. So so the water comes in here, the condensation, and then when that little donut thing goes up like that, it starts pumping the water up this tube. And then I've just gone up inside the thing and then run all the way across and down and then out the front here. Okay, so I'll probably just go through the concrete wall later on when I get some time, and just, you know, maybe put a drain out the front or something for it to trickle into. So that's the plan at the moment. So it's a real good option, these things. Just got it from Reese, and that just clips on like this. So it looks, yeah, really quite neat.